I've always loved traveling and adventures, but I feel like I never really get to do that stuff that often. So this year I made it a goal of mine to go on as many adventures as possible and get out of my comfort zone. I live in South Africa, so my plan is to travel to different places around Africa and eventually the world and share my experiences, offering you guys a visitor's insight into what you can expect when you visit. So in this first episode I'm going to Safari Plains Game Lodge and we are going to be staying in a luxury tent which looks beautiful. And hopefully we are going to see a lot of animals. Let's get into the video. So we just arrived at Safari Plains after a 2.5 hour drive, and the drive wasn't bad. I just really need a wee. Anyways, let's go to reception and go get checked in. We checked in at reception pretty quickly, and then we made our way to the bar where there were these weird blue drinks waiting for us. Complimentary drinks. It's pretty good. I've no idea what it is, but it tastes good. They've done us a favour and given us all our own rooms, which is quite exciting. I don't have to hear my dad snore. So yeah, that's the room. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm definitely gonna enjoy. It looks really, really cool. It's like literally a tent, which is pretty crazy, but with like running water and electricity. But the plan now is we have hot tea at 4 now, which I know is very fancy. And then we have an afternoon game drive at 4:30. And hopefully we are gonna see some animals. So I will see you guys then. Pretty successful game drive so far. We've seen quite a lot of stuff, but we have just pulled over to have a couple of drinks. I think I'm going to get a gin and tonic. I will show you when I get it. Cheers, Pom.
Oh, what a mess.
No, just get them. Good job. That's what you do when you try to get the shot, eh? We then made our way back to the lodge for some supper, and it looks like I enjoyed it. We just made it back from supper and it wasn't bad. I'm very full. I'm excited for bed. I will see you guys tomorrow bright and early at 5 AM. Good morning. It's currently 5:20 AM. I'm flipping exhausted. I haven't been up this early in a long time. We are about to head off for coffee and then a game drive. I will see you on the drive. We watched the sun start to rise. And then we met our game ranger Sam. Morning, Sam.
Good morning. How are you?
Good, and you?
Good, thanks.
Then we headed out on the game drive and it was still pretty early. We saw this jackal sleeping in. We were lucky to see this woodpecker.
Make that noise here.
Here's a fact about a woodpecker.
It actually goes exactly the same. And it goes sometimes like 3 to 4 times, and it comes. It does like a. Yeah, it's exactly the same.
Let's have a headache after that.
Game rangers do this thing where they quietly talk on their walkie-talkie and don't tell us any information for a while, and then all of a sudden they start driving and searching like crazy, and then bam, we found the lion. pretty successful morning so far. We've seen some wildebeest, we've seen some zebra, and finally we saw some lion. There were 2 male lions, there was a female and 2 cubs, which was amazing to see. But now we've just stopped off for some coffee, and then afterwards we're gonna go make our way for some breakfast. I'm starving, looking forward to that. We'll see you guys then. We made our way back to the game lodge and saw some giraffe, some zebra, and some blazebok. We just finished breakfast. It was pretty good. I'm extremely full at the moment. The plan now is we're just chilling. Probably gonna have a nap because we're up so early. Maybe go chill at the pool a little bit later. Then we have lunch, and then the afternoon game drive a little bit later. I will see you when I see you. We made our way back to the room and we were greeted by this crocodile. Then I had a lie down. Then I went for lunch. I didn't get a shot of it, so here's a picture of a toasted cheese I found on Google. After lunch, I chilled at the pool, had a gin and tonic.
Give it a proper sip there, Brad.
Big sip.
Yeah, baby.
And watched the giraffe drink from the watering hole. Then it was time for the afternoon game drive.
That's a stunning photo.
Watch out, there's somebody behind you.
For afternoon drinks, and then the craziest thing happened. These rhinos started coming towards us. They got pretty close and were checking us out. We thought they were going to charge at us. But then they left.
Oh my god.
We thought we were going back to the lodge for supper, but we were surprised with this amazing braai in the middle of the bush. We then made our way inside. The tables were set beautifully, the bonfire was burning, and the food hopefully wasn't. What an amazing way to end off the day, and a successful trip.
She's cross now.
Looks like my mother-in-law.
I'm gonna tell her she's gonna don for you.